Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make something required on Typeform. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're creating your Typeform and you want to make certain parts of your form required. How do you actually go ahead and do that on Typeform? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so make sure to watch all the way until the end. So first what we're going to do is that we're going to access our form on Typeform. So click on your form. And then the next thing that you're going to do is that once you click on one of your slides here, you're going to see on the right hand side that there's a toggle button that says required. So if you toggle it on, you're going to see there's an asterisk here. What that means is that people have to fill out this answer if they want to proceed to the next answer. If they don't fill out this answer, then it's not going to be able to be submitted by them. So in order to actually go ahead and make certain slides or answers or questions required, you just need to click on the slide, scroll down to where it says required, and then you can just toggle this on and off. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set certain parts of your form to be required. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.